Oh my god, guys, I just upgraded my shower game with the SR Sunrise shower system, and let me tell you, it's life-changing. Imagine stepping into a rainforest every morning. No joke, the 10-year warranty had me sold before even installing it. Got kids? Seniors? No worries. The push-button diverter is super easy to use even with soapy hands. And the look? Absolute perfection. My bathroom went from meh to magazine-worthy. So worth it. Trust me, treat yourself today and turn every shower into a spa retreat. Press button diverter. Ever struggled with those annoying slippery knobs? Say goodbye to that mess. The push button diverter makes switching functions effortless, even mid-shampoo. Beautiful appearance. This isn't just a shower, it's a statement piece. Whether your style is chic, boho, or minimalist, it fits right in and elevates your whole bathroom vibe. Noise-free. The pressure balance valve eliminates that frustrating bang when someone flushes the toilet. Peace and quiet at last. Ready to transform your mornings? Snag yours now before they sell out.